Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Signal app verification code not received problem. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap Settings in your mobile. This will open up your device's main settings menu where you can control all aspects of your phone's functionality. Once you're in Settings, tap Apps. This section manages all the applications installed on your device and gives you control over their permissions and data. Next, tap Signal from the list of apps. This will bring you directly to Signal's app information page where you can modify its specific settings and permissions. From here, tap Permissions. This is crucial because permissions control what your app can access on your device, and without the right permissions, Signal might not be able to receive verification codes properly. Now tap Phone. This permission is essential for Signal to function correctly because it needs access to your phone's calling and messaging capabilities to receive those verification codes. Once you're in the phone permission settings, tap Allow. By allowing this permission, you're ensuring that Signal has the necessary access to receive SMS messages and calls, which are the primary methods for delivering verification codes. After setting the permission, tap Back to return to the previous screen. Then tap Back again to go back to Signal's main app information page. This brings you back to where you can access other important settings. Now tap Storage and Cache. This section lets you manage the temporary files and data that Signal stores on your device. At the top of this screen, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts or preventing the app from functioning properly. This simple action often resolves many app-related issues without deleting your actual messages or data. Next, open the Play Store on your device. The Play Store is where you can check for and install app updates that might contain bug fixes. Once it opens, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Signal Private Messenger and tap it from the search results. This will take you to Signal's official app page. On the app page, look for the Update button right beside Signal Private Messenger. If you see an Update button available, tap it. Updates often include important fixes that can resolve verification code issues and improve the app's overall performance. Wait for the update to download and install completely. Finally, restart your phone. This step is important because it clears your device's memory and ensures all the changes you've made take effect properly. A fresh restart can resolve many underlying issues that might have been preventing Signal from receiving verification codes. And that's it. You've addressed the most common causes of Signal verification code issues by adjusting permissions, clearing cache, updating the app, and restarting your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.